We study in Rudra school in class 9. So we have made this model. You can see here it's a wind energy storer. So let's explain. Let's come to know that how we have made this. Here you can see 4 batteries. These the 3 batteries of this from this rotates this. I can see. Rotates this wind, and the energy from this gets stored in this motor, and this motor is connected to the 4th one battery, which glows these bulbs. And suppose if somehow the energy from the 4th one battery get exhausted, then we will disconnect these two wires. Then these bulbs will be directly glown by these 3 main batteries, and this fourth one will be charged by this motor, because here you can see this is glown by these 2 batteries, and the extra charge is generating in this motor, and the energy from this is storing in the motor.
As we all know that our model is a wind energy storer, so it can be used in rural areas especially, because there is a huge demand of electricity in a society, and in rural area there is lots of scarcity of electricity. So by this model, by making the electrical appliances which is based on our model, we can also store energy when our electrical appliances is running through the electricity, and in the absence of electricity it will be work, because the energy is stored during the when it is working in the presence of electricity. It is as we all know, the wind is an inexhaustible resources. So there is no doubt to say that our model is based on inexhaustible resources. It can be utilized better at the places of high windy area, and in big industries we can also make some appliances which can better work in the absence of electricity.
It is totally eco-friendly. There is no any disadvantages or demerits of this project. This is totally clarify this model, that here these two towers are going to these homes. We can use this type of project, especially in rural areas where there is a scarcity of electricity mainly. So this is the exact aim of our model, that we want to establish this type of model in rural areas instead of using in urban areas, because we know that urban areas is already very developed in modern technology, but rural areas is unaware of that fact. So the aim of our project, of our model, is to establish this type of project in rural areas, so that the people of that place will come to know about the modern technology. Thank you.